Hello, you beautiful people. Mahesh from Skill School Online. Here we are, and this tutorial right now is about how to create a collage. A quick way of creating a collage. Now, what we need to do is go to canva.com, go to create a design, click on create a design. Once you click on create a design, you need to scroll down. And once you scroll down, you'll find something called a collage, a photo collage. All right, so now you click on that, it will open another tab in which you will find a canvas. You don't have to worry about the dimensions. Now, if you look at the canvas, and to the left of it, you find a series of templates. You can use any of these templates. Let us use this template over here. You just have to click on it and it falls into place. And you see these crisscross lines over here. It means that each of these images can't be used unless you pay until you pay for it. So to tell you, you can see the placeholders over here. All right, the placeholders say that these are different images over here. All right, so if I just say delete, all right, it's gonna delete one, right, and then it's gonna delete two. So all these are different images. Now I'll let this be here and this be here because I don't think we're going to pay for these. And the text is fine. So we have three images that we had to fill. So what we do is we go to the left over here and we go to elements. And in elements, we have free photos. In free photos, if you search for a while, you may get your stuff, whatever you want, images that you like or which is relevant. Let's just go with a few things that I think is relevant for what I'm doing. And the next one is, okay, let's put this. A double click over here in the text, change the text. I want to just change cup to, let's have a white. Let's just say white. Okay. Now it looks fine. So the final thing right now is that once you've done your collage, right, you can download it over here. But I'll just let you in on a few templates where you can do it by yourself. Here we go. We have elements over here. Now we are trying to get rid of this photograph category. We click on this cross and we go to grids. Now this is where you would like to customize your grid. You can add so many grids and it keeps going on and on. Once you click the grid, you're going to have the grid on top of here. But first you have to clear this by saying Command A and clear it, and then put this grid. Just to show you right now, I'm just going to put it over and tell you that each one of these can be filled with a photograph. And then on top of it, you can put your text. Okay, so now we have the finished product over here, and we say download, and we can either download a PDF or we print is because they want you to print it thinking that this is a flyer or a poster. What we would like to use it for is social media, so we download it as a PNG. Now you download it and it just goes onto the desktop and you can start using. So this is how you create a collage. Do watch all the videos that I put up. They're all very informative, and do subscribe. Thank you.